about the complementary angles. The angles theta and 90 minus theta are complementary angles. Recall what I have written here. Theta and 90 minus theta are called complementary angles. This is what the relation between the trigonometric ratios of those angles. Sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin. Sin theta equals cos of 90 minus theta or cos theta equals sin of 90 minus theta. Therefore, this is a relationship for trigonometric ratio of those complementary angles. The complementary angles are theta and 90 minus theta. Got it? If I write sin theta, we can write this as cos of 90 minus theta. Or cos theta as sin into sin of 90 minus theta. Sin and cos are complementary. The same case here, this is another set of complementary, that is cosecant and secant. Secant and cosecant. Look at that. They are called complementary angles. And one more set, tan and cot are complementary. Tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta, or cot theta equals tan of 90 minus theta. It is what you have derived in the previous class. And what type of problems you can expect on these complementary angles or the relationship and this relationship? Look at this. This is one evaluation of the following. We are given sine of 18 degree divided by cos of 72 degree. Let us evaluate what is the value of this. There are two functions, trigonometric functions. Let us write one trigonometric function into any one of them into its complementary angle. Let us take numerator. Let us write its complementary angle and check what we get. Look at that, sine 18 or sine theta equals cos 90 minus theta. Here 18 is there in place of theta, cos of 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18 is 72. So cos 72 divided by cos 72 is answer is 1. Cancel. This we get the answer 1. This is the value of this function. Similarly, what was the function of this tan 26 divided by cot 64? The same technique you apply. Let us write any one of them, either this or this, into its complementary angle. Let us take this and write its complementary angle. Tan equals cot of 90 minus this. Let us retain this. And now it is 90 minus 26 is 64. Cot 64 divided by cot 64, again, one is the answer for this. Second problem. And the third problem, it is a summation. Sum cos of 48 degree minus sin of 42 degree. There are two functions are there. Let us write any one of them into its complementary, either this or this. Let us write complementary for this, cos 48. Sin 90 minus 48. Sin 90 minus 48. Retain the same. This is our. This is 42. 90 minus 42 is 48 is 42. Sin 42 minus sin 42. Again, answer 1. This means this. And the other type of problem, here the fourth one, show that tan 48 degree into tan 28 degree, 23 degree into tan 42 into tan 67 degree equals 1. Product of all these four functions equals 1. There are four trigonometric ratios. Let us write the complementary of any two and check. Look at that. What are those complementary? For which trigonometric ratio, write the complementary. Take this one and write the complementary for this tan 45. Cot of 90 minus 48. Sorry, tan 48. Tan cot of 90 minus 48. And for this also write tan 23. It is cot of 90 minus 23. Let us retain the same thing and check and see that. This is 90 minus 48, cot 42. and 90 minus 23, 67. It becomes cot 42, it becomes cot 67. This tan 48 becomes cot 42, tan 23 becomes cot 67. This will be, if you keep them as same. And see that we have cot 42, tan 42, because cot theta into tan theta equals 1. They are reciprocals. Cot theta into tan theta equals 1, because cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, or tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta. This will get cancelled into, and cot 67, tan 67. Again, we just like cot theta and tan theta, they get cancelled. 1. Answer is 1. So that it is answer is 1. And another one, you have to show that cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus of sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree equals 0. Again, apply the same technique. Let us write complementary to these angles and retain these two. And check and see that what we get. This is cos 38 as sin of 90 minus this, and cos 52 as sin of 90 minus this. And simplify, this will give 52, that is 90 minus 32 is 52, 90 minus 52 is 38. Look at the first, this has become sin 52, this has become sin 38. Look at this first term and the second term, this is minus, same thing. Sin 52, sin 52, sin 38, sin 38. So this minus this gives us one answer. It is proof that no, 0. This minus this same thing. X minus x equals summation. This minus same thing is 0. On the next problem of the type, sixth one, if tan 2a equals cot a minus 18 degree, cot of a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, and find the value of a. What is the value of a? Here 2a is an acute angle, and a minus 8 is acute angle. What is the value of a? And what is the technique of solving this problem? Look at this, tan and cot are complementary angles. Let us write one of them into the complementary angles. Let us take this and write it into its complementary angle. Tan 2a is cot of 90 minus 2a. Cot of 90 minus of this. And this, right as it is, cot of a minus 18. Look at the equation, cot, cot, this. So this is same, then what? This must be same. When cot and cot of this must be equal to this. 90 minus 2a equals a minus 18. Simplify this algebra. Take a to this side, 18 to this side. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. 108 equals 3a. What is a? 108 by 3. A equals 36 degree. This is how value of a is evaluated. Problem of this type. Problem, if secant 4a equals cosecant a minus 20, where 4a is acute angle, find the value of a. The problem is, look at this, the given equation, secant and cosecant, these two are complementary. Let us apply the complementary of this. Secant 4a as cosecant 90 minus 4a. Secant is cosecant 90 minus of theta. And write the right hand side as it is. Then look at the equation. We have cosecant of equals cosecant of. This is cosecant, this is cosecant. then these two must be same. 90 minus 4a equals a minus 20. Suddenly you get this equation. Solve for a. 4a towards this side, 5a, 20 this side, plus 20. 110 equals 5a, a equals 110 divided by 5 equals 22 degree. Value of a is found to be 22 degree for this relationship. Solution we have found it. And the next problem is, if tan A equals cot A, we have to prove that A plus B equals 90 degree. First look at these functions given. Tan and cot are complementary angles. So let us apply the formula for this. Complementary of this is cot of 90 minus A, right, as it is beside. Look at this equation, cot, cot. Therefore, this must be equal to this. 90 minus A equals B. 90 equals A plus B. Or A plus B equals 90 degree. Prove that it is proved. Is the problem. The next problem, the next problem is, here if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle, they are the angles of a triangle, then show that sine of B plus C divided by 2 equals cos of A by 2. This is LHS, this is RHS. Take LHS, apply complementary rule. Sine of B plus C divided by 2, it is same as cos 90 minus of this. Cos 90 minus theta. The theta is B plus C divided by 2. 90 minus of theta. B plus C divided by 2. And simplify this. Take LCM and simplify. LCM is 2. This becomes 180 minus of this inside the bracket B plus C. And we know that these are the interior angles of the triangle. Therefore, A plus B plus C equals 180 degree. Sum of these angles is always equals to 180 degree in a triangle. Then what is B plus C in terms of A? 180 minus A. Because I want A on the right hand side. 180 minus A. Substitute for B plus C. 180 minus A. Next step. And simplify. Remove the bracket. 180 minus 180 plus A. 180, 180 cancel A by 2. This is cos A by 2. It is right hand side. LHS equals RHS. So this equation holds good. This is all. So this type of problems we can expect on the complementary angles, trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles.